And the race is on. Jigsaw Star, King's Dominion, number 5, Cool Reception. Alongside Double the Charm, yes, Joey Cat Maze running by the Royal Grey Magic, ingay. Alongside Scad Missile, Mike's Dancer, while Super Elegant is the early trailer. King's Dominion by Hapaland, Cool Reception alongside Jigsaw Star. Cat May racing forward by some two lengths as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Jigsaw Star by a length and a half. King's Dominion, Cool Reception racing on the outside. Double the Charm by the rally. Ingay. Scad Missile from the outside. Cat May, Gray Magic. Yes, Joey third last, second last, Super Elegant. While Mike's Dancers now running at the tail of the field. Scad Missile moves up to take the lead. Jigsaw Star, Double the Charm, Cat May sneaking by the rally. Ingay. Then here comes, yes, Joey rounding the far turn. Scad Missile by Sam Tulane. Cat May, yes, Joey. Ingay is racing in for Jigsaw Star, Cool Reception as they race the last 450. Scad Missile by Ole Alenkenap. Cat May sneaking by the rail. Yes, Joey is racing third from the outside. Ingay. Entering the last 100 meters more to run. At Scad Missile, yes, Joey and Cat May by the rail. Yes, Joey rushing about the outside. Scad Missile. And finally it's going to be close one. Yes, Joey and Scad Missile. Third, Cat May. Ingay took fourth. And for your Fantafecta, number 10, Super Elegant.